How to add commit instructions in your codex. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you how you can add custom commit instructions for your Git in your Codex desktop application. So for that, first launch your Codex desktop application, and once it launches, click onto the settings button at the bottom left corner. Now from here, click onto the settings option again, or alternatively you can press the control and the comma buttons. Now this will lead you to the settings, and under settings you will need to go to the Git under the coding section. Now once you are in Git, simply scroll down and you will see the commit instructions right here. These instructions are added to commit message generation prompts. Now simply add your commit instruction, and once you are done doing that, click onto the save button and you will see this message at the top that says saved commit instructions, and now your commit instructions have been successfully saved. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.